Somebody come get her, she dancing like a...
Look, he's so happy to see you. Look.
Mind.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Brother, Alright. Go.
No, it's meow mix. Try again.
Yeet.
Excuse me?
Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20!
Okay, come on.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? No.
You like the smell? Hey! Hey! You jumped over these double baked potatoes.
I'm sorry, I just asked a question.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me. Holy
Meow. Meow.
Bagel, no! Bagel! Bubba.
Now you're about to bite me.
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
It's not open to...
please.
What's going on, man?
Whoa. No parkour. Sorry.
Bastard.
Excuse me?
Pop the package up here.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
Go, go.
Sparky? Who's stuck inside? Oh, you didn't use your. Oh my god!
You want attention, but you're just gonna hiss at me. Okay.
What are you working on? Oh!
Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
There's the catnip.
Come here.
Me, sexy.
What's going on, man?
Whoa. Wait.
Overeating, I know that. Look at.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed.
Hello? Phoenix?
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei.
Want somebody?
Then my head hit the wall. Boom. Oh my God!
Do something, cat.
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
Hello!
Nom 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 nom. Ow! He's only been a doggy.
Oh, shut. Go, let go.